Have you ever closed an Akashic Records session only to feel completely drained, anxious, or like something followed you back? You didn't fail. You just skipped the safety protocol. That is not a spiritual failure. It is a preparation failure. In today's video, I'm walking you through a structured 5-step safety protocol, what I call the Akashic Safety Protocol, designed to protect your psyche before, during, and after every records access. Whether you are brand new to the records or you've been reading for years, these steps will make your sessions cleaner, clearer, and safer. Let's begin.
Before you do anything else, before you say a prayer, set an intention, or open a single door, you need to prepare your physical and energetic space. Think of this like a scientist preparing a lab. You wouldn't run a sensitive experiment in a chaotic, contaminated environment. The same logic applies here. Find a quiet space where you will not be interrupted. Sit upright with both feet flat on the floor. This matters, and here's why. Your body needs a stable physical anchor the moment your awareness begins to expand. Dim the lights if you can, silence your phone, and take 3 slow, deliberate breaths. Each exhale is a signal to your nervous system that this moment is intentional. You are not stumbling into the records. You are arriving prepared. This container, this prepared space, is the first layer of your protection.
Step 2 is the most important energetic tool in this entire protocol, the grounding cord. Close your eyes and visualize a cord, thick, strong, luminous, extending from the base of your spine all the way down through the floor, through the layers of earth, down to the very core of the planet. Feel it connect. Feel the weight of it. This cord does 2 things simultaneously. First, it anchors you in the physical while your consciousness explores the etheric. You remain here even as your awareness expands there. Second, it acts as a release valve. Anything that does not belong to you, any energy that feels heavy, confusing, or intrusive, flows down through that cord and is neutralized by the earth. You do not need to understand it intellectually. You simply need to feel it. If at any point during your session you feel disoriented, anxious, or overwhelmed, return your awareness to the cord. It is always there. The Akashic Records contain everything. Every lifetime, every experience, every thread of every soul. Without a filter, accessing the records can feel like trying to drink from a fire hose. Intent setting is your filter. Before you open the records, state your intention clearly and aloud if possible. Something like, I ask to access only that information which is aligned with my highest good, my healing, and my soul's growth. I receive only what is true, loving, and relevant for this moment. This is not a magic spell. It is a directive, a message to your own subconscious and to the field itself about what you are here for. It narrows the signal. It filters the noise. Be specific. Saying, I want to understand everything is not an intention. It's an open door with no address on it. Instead, try, I am here to understand the root of this pattern in my relationships. That is a precise, purposeful query. The cleaner your intent, the cleaner your session.
This step is the one most people skip, and it is the reason many feel lingering sensitivity, mental fatigue, or emotional heaviness for hours or days after a session. You must close the records deliberately and completely. When your session is complete, state clearly, I now close my Akashic records with gratitude and love. I seal this session. I return fully to my physical body and to ordinary awareness. Then, take 3 grounding breaths. Feel your feet on the floor. Drink a glass of water. If possible, eat something light. Food is one of the fastest ways to re-anchor your energy in the physical body. Do not move directly from a deep record session into a high stimulation environment.
a crowded place, a stressful conversation, social media. Give yourself at least 5 to 10 minutes to transition. An open record session that is never properly closed is like leaving a door ajar in a house you've walked away from. Close the door, every time.
The final step happens after the session, and it determines how much value you actually receive from the work. Integrate what came through. Write down what you experienced, even if it feels fragmented, symbolic, or confusing. The act of writing moves information from the etheric into the physical, which is exactly where it needs to land in order to create change. Notice your emotional state in the hours that follow. Drink extra water. Be gentle with yourself. Some sessions bring up grief, clarity, or unexpected emotion. All of this is part of the process. And if something disturbing came through, if you felt fear, encountered a heavy energy, or experienced something you didn't understand, do not sit alone with it. Seek guidance from an experienced practitioner. That is not weakness, that is wisdom.
These 5 steps: prepare your container, ground your cord, set your intent, close the session, integrate the experience, are not optional extras. They are the foundation of safe, sustainable records work. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who is just beginning their journey with the Akashic Records. And if you have questions about any of these steps, leave them in the comments below. I read every single one. In the next video, I'm going to show you the exact prayer I use to open the records safely, word for word. Click right here to watch that next. And until then, stay grounded, stay clear, and I'll see you in the cosmos.